So I'm back in the shed. Now, in one of the last videos, you saw me have a collab with The Evening Star 92, which is really good. And in that video, we tried to get this little backslash engine here to run on the rolling road. However, one of the tyres came off. Now, I said I kept this tyre on because it's got grooves on to power it, but I'm taking the other one off, so it's a bare wheel. I'm going to try and give it a go. It may work, it might not work, but we'll give it a go. Hopefully you got a good view there. So I need my live steam oil for cylinders. Perfect. And now we're going to get my lubrication oil. Put that in neutral so no steam escapes. And lubricate the moving parts. This thing's already had a steaming a few days ago. You're already getting pressure. But I thought not. There you go. That's quite warm, that. It's got a nice colour, the fire. Now, one thing I'll do whilst I'm waiting, I'll do this off camera, but I'm going to take apart the SP2 engine. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this, guys. We're firing it. What on earth? Is there a vacuum in this thing? What the heck? The funny thing is, it usually goes... What on earth? How odd. And before actually I did a few turns, it ran for a bit. That is so crazy. Haunted, I know it's haunted. That was a bit creepy, that. Getting a small amount of pressure. Do you can hear that? So I don't know if you can hear the... I'm going to show you the fire. Have a look at this, guys. So the engine warming through, you can just about see probably the fire in there. Very, very nice. Warming through, we'll see how it goes. Open the valve ever so slightly. Oh! See what I mean by loud? Maybe try to do the stroke. So this will be the direction it'll go in when I put the belt on, so. Should be able to start now. Theoretically. We're getting so close. Just waking up a bit now. Oh, we're so close. We're going. Ah. Is it any better in the other direction? Nah, better this way. Attach the belt. Obviously it's all come off. We're getting so close. Now we can build up more pressure by lighting the tablet. That's lit. Let's just get the engine running for a bit without the belt on. That pressure's going to start building up now, so try and get this engine running. Try and get this engine running as soon as possible. Now stop the engine. Do you know, I honestly think this engine is just not powerful enough anymore to power itself. What a shame. Massive fail. Well, even though we failed, I still hope you enjoyed this, guys. Let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.